Howdy Math Fans, Test 16, Lesson 6. Very short lesson for the last lesson in this test. We are almost done with math. So grab your swords and let's work on answering questions from a database and plotting positive and negative coordinates. First up, we're going to review how to answer questions from a database. So this is a database. Databases look confusing, but they're not too bad. You can see that this one is talking about sales at a store. So Victorian dolls. In January, they sold 1,400, I'm assuming dollars. In February, 1,100. In March, 981, and so forth. So they're just showing you the amount for each that was sold in that category for each month. So some of the questions I could answer from this database, if someone asked me to make a list of questions I could answer from this database, I might say, what category of product had the highest sales in the month of March? So then I would look in the month of March and see who had the highest sales. 8,800, that's pretty good. Nothing higher than that. It says it's a convertible. I'm guessing that's some kind of model car, not a real convertible. Or I could say, which product had the best sales overall? And I'm not going to figure that out because it would involve me adding up all of these lines, and I don't feel like doing that. But it would be a question that I could answer from this database. I could say, what month did snacks have the highest sale? So looking at snacks, definitely in February. Those are all questions that could be answered from this database. Questions I could not answer from this database would be, for example, what is the most popular item in the entire store? Because I don't know if this is all the items in the store. I could not answer what kind of snacks does the store sell, because it doesn't tell me except for pancakes. I don't know what kind of store this is, but it sells some pretty crazy things. So those are some questions I could not answer. So basically that's it. You've done this before. Just wanted to go over with you quickly a review of how to look at a database. And also, while we're talking about review, we're going to plot positive and negative coordinates. And I actually have a game for you to play for that. So you're going to go to www.tinyurl.com/findaliens. And your review for today is, I'd like you to play for at least 5 minutes, preferably 10. And as a review, write down a 2-sentence summary of what you did in the game. So I want to be able to look at your summary and see that you played the game, basically. It's kind of fun. You have to find aliens by plotting coordinates, so it should be pretty easy. www.tinyurl.com/findaliens. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.